How's it going, guys? In this video, we're going to be taking our Hellcat Swapped Ram 1500 pickup truck to the 8th mile drag strip. We're going to see what it runs. We haven't driven this or raced it in probably about a year since Mo Party, and we're going to take it and we're going to see what it does. All right, just before we do that, I just want to show you guys what the setup is. So it's got a drag pack on it. I've kind of got a mix match of two of my wheels. We got welds on the front with skinnies, and then we've got these Hoosier bias ply drags on the back. Yes, and they are a 28 by 10 as far as the size goes. We actually are driving this over on the setup, and then under the hood, nothing crazy. It's just a bone stock Hellcat engine. Only difference is it's got a 285 upper pulley, so a slightly smaller upper pulley, stock lower pulley, and then it's on E85. So here it is. We're not doing any weight prep. It's gonna have full interior. I had a bunch of my stuff in it, tools, everything, because we're driving it there. And then also tailgate, bed cover, spare tire still on it, everything's still intact. This thing rips, even on some shitty prep. Not bad, you guys. Knocked the dust off this old girl. I think that truck put next to us, I'm not even gonna lie, that thing should smoke us. It's like a huge single turbo, but I mean, for us being a stock engine and what we are, I cannot complain. I don't know what we ran, I guess we'll see. 8th mile stuff again. Thank you, sir. Well, all right, so we ran a 672 at 105.96, you guys. Not terrible. Not terrible. I'm racing, Steve.
What?
One of my cars.
What car?
Hellcat Ram.
Ram, you brought it out?
Yeah, I figured why not. It's a 8th mile, but I don't know. Whatever. My buddy was like, yo, come have fun. But let me call you right back. I'm literally about to do burnout.
Bye.
Hey, bye. All squirrely, you guys, so I just laid out of it. You saw we were starting to drive towards the middle line. We were spinning, but we left that guy. But that's what I heard, is the prep's not the greatest here, so I guess we'll have to see what the deal is. But we'll go take a break. I need to get a bite of food, but second run of the night, like I said, prep's not going to be the greatest because apparently they're just going to do a little bit of prep and there's a lot of street cars and whatever. So we shall see what we get into, see if we can get some more grip on another pass later. As far as air in the tires, I brought them down to 17 psi. Last time we left on 18 psi. But I want to get that tire folded over so we can leave. I'm also going to check my spring settings because I haven't checked that yet either. So we'll regroup, we'll go back, take a little break, and then we'll see if we can get this thing to hook again. All right, so we're going to go out for our third run, you guys. They're not prepping the track, so pretty much the first run is going to be the best run we're going to get, I think. So we're going to try going out just for fun. This thing's got a lot of power, two-wheel drive, pickup truck, light in the back, so don't want to do anything too crazy, but yeah, we'll go see if we can hook up for the second pass you guys saw, and I'll go over all the time slips at the end. But so far, obviously the first run was the best one. The second one we spun and we got out of it, so see if maybe we can hook. I'm gonna try the right lane this time. Some people were saying the right lane's better, so we'll see what happens. All right, so GTR just challenged us to a race. I saw him run, I think he ran a 6.1 at 105 mile an hour. We ran a 6.7 at 105 mile an hour, so I don't know if he was sleeping on it. We'll see what happens. I don't know if he's even going to be able to... Oh, yeah, he's behind us, so somehow he made it up here. So we'll see. I don't even know if we'll be able to hook, but we'll see what happens.
The guy behind you, that's all.
Okay, yeah. No, I think I saw you run last time, right? You ran on a 6.1?
Nah, hell no. No, the lowest I've been on that car tonight has been 6.7.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, if I can hook, last time I went out, so I ran a 6.7 105, same as you then.
Yeah.
But the last time I went out, I spun, so
yeah.
I don't know if I'll be able to. I'll try to stay in it. If not,
It's
we'll.
fun. So
At least you got all-wheel drive though.
that's why I got it, because I used to have a CO6. It wouldn't grip with the shell. Like fuck that.
I know, right? All right, cool, man.
Yeah, I just told him you're racing the GTR. That's all.
Okay. All right, so you guys heard him. He said he ran a 6.7, so if I can hook, we might be right there. It'd be a close race. We'll see though. I feel like he's kind of playing us, but we'll see what happens. He's probably gonna like turn up the boost or something. Watch. He's all-wheel drive, so he's got the traction advantage for sure. Oh. I don't know. If we can't get a dig, I'm not gonna do it, you guys, because it's looking squirrely at the top. I don't know if you guys saw that car get squirrely up top. They should be going to the end of the track and checking it, make sure nobody dropped any oil or anything. I don't know if I can end up running at this place anymore. It seems a little sketch. Like most tracks, they would send somebody on a four-wheeler or something to go check, make sure there's nothing down at the end of the track.
All right, so this track, I don't know, you guys. Right here, somebody was banging on my window and aggressively. So I rolled down my window, and for some reason, this person wanted to check my wristband. And like, I don't know what they were trying to find or what they were thinking, but he didn't even say anything. He just, I don't know, going through my wristband as if I didn't have one for some random reason. They should have done that back in staging, but that kind of flustered me. And I'll show you guys. I ended up, for some reason, I don't know. I kind of ended up rolling through the beams up here.
Something like that.
DCR van.
Yep. Hey, do you think there's something down on the track? The one car got squirrely on the right lane just now.
Yeah, I think they might have put something down. I let off after like 400 feet.
You think so?
Feet. I feel it out, but yeah.
Alright, so here's where I rolled through the beams. Just too much going on between seeing somebody almost crash and that person coming up and rifling through my wristbands. But I'm wondering if putting in reverse here and backing up for a second didn't do what you're about to see here.
We had him. It went into limp mode. Fuck. Damn it. That would have been a good run, you guys. We hooked. Transmission didn't want to shift though. Well, we know we're pushing it on a stock transmission. Oh, I was gonna stay in that too. She was not happy though. I don't know if there's a point in trying it again, unfortunately. So if you guys, I don't know if I said this. So right now we're on a stock Ram transmission. It's the 8HP70. So we're really pushing our luck with having the Hellcat motor and having a turned up Hellcat motor. It's taking it obviously, but things like this happen where it won't make the shift. So it is what it is though. There you have it, guys. Not making excuses on the third run, but I just wonder to myself if putting in reverse and putting it back in drive flustered this thing at all. Like I said, we are pushing the limits of the stock 8HP70 transmission. I do probably need to get it built if we're gonna continue to do this, but I'll just look and we'll review the 3 time slips. So the first one obviously was the best one, and that was when they laid down prep, and then they didn't do prep the rest of the day at all, or night. So we ran a 6.72, 105 mile an hour. We actually cut a 1.57 60 foot, which is pretty decent for this big heavy truck. And the next one we ended up spinning, so that one wasn't all that good. We still cut a 1.6 60 foot, surprisingly, on the left lane, but then we got out of it. And then the last one, a 1.54 60 foot. And then we ended up hitting the limp mode, so it kind of is what it is. But it's gonna wrap up this video, you guys. If you guys enjoy this type of content and actually seeing some of these vehicles racing, what you guys can do for me is it's free. Give it a thumbs up and share these videos with others. We also have some other stuff. We've got our Hellcat Swapped Dodge Dakota. There's a 426 3-liter Whipple Dakota. We've got a bunch of race vehicles on here, so in order to support the cause and to keep this all going, make sure you guys share it with other people. We can spread the word, and we'll continue to do it. If we get enough traction on this video with the Hellcat Ram, I will take the transmission out and we'll ship it off either to Sipple or Pure Transmission. Somebody, we'll see who we can work with and get that transmission built, and then we can actually turn it up even more. Once we actually have a built transmission, it's already gonna cut faster times than it is right now because we're running it with the transmission slipping. I still drove it all the way from Tampa to Lakeland, and it drove perfectly fine on the way back, but when we put it under high stress conditions, it kind of freaks out a little bit, like you guys saw. So if we get this video with enough traction and enough views, share it with whoever you think will enjoy this content. It will support our racing cause and get us back to the track. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.